Hi, my name's Bonita Nuttall, and hey, I've got a quick question for you. What do you think might become available to you if you were to be able to, every single time you were asked to speak on stage, or deliver a presentation at work, or speak at a networking event, or create those videos for social media, that you were to be able to speak and share your voice with a level of confidence that made your audience sit up and pay attention? What do you think might become available to you if you were to be able to speak with a kind of clarity and share your messages, to be able to share your ideas, to be able to share your vision, or to be able to share what you need done with your team in a way that was succinct, to the point, beautifully packaged in a way that they got it really quickly? And what if you were to be able to share your voice in a way that you knew would influence the people that you needed to influence so that they took specific behaviors or that they adopted your ideas? And what do you think also might become available to you if you were to be able to speak with a level of conviction that really leveled up your credibility and set you up as an authority in your field? Now, I know that public speaking is probably one of the most challenging things, but here's the thing. Your voice is like a fingerprint. There's only one like it. There is no one on this planet that can say what you have to say the way that you can say it with your voice. And so I want to invite you today to have a look at something really special, and I want you to come on a quick journey with me to imagine what might be possible if you were to be able to do all of that for you. Imagine if you could go from a place of really being afraid of using your voice to be able to speak on stage, to be able to share your messages in the way that you want to being really confident, to speaking with increased clarity and credibility in your life so that you could go ahead and make the impact that only you can in the world. So I want to share with you some ways that you can go about doing that over here. I just got to click on that button. And so here's the exciting thing. My name's Bonita Nuttall. I'm headed from Sydney, Australia through to Auckland, New Zealand, and I'm coming to deliver 2 in-person public speaking training programs. This is my foundational program. It's called the Speaker Circle program, and I'm so excited to bring it to Auckland. I've been running this for quite some time, and I tell you what, the results have been really so beautiful and so amazing with all of and I work typically with experts, thought leaders, business leaders. If you want to be a conference speaker, this is a really great place for you to start. If you want to share your ideas in a way that creates that influence, this is where you need to be. And imagining the tools and the strategies that you will get from this to support you and empower you to be able to achieve the goals that you want for yourself. So the Speaker Circle program is going to be run in person on the 28th of October. It's a Saturday. It's a full-day event. And then, again, we'll have a 2-hour virtual follow-up session a couple of weeks after that. But it's going to be, check this out, it's in Iraqi. And let me come here. Now, I've really gone ahead and I've hired this really beautiful, luxurious mansion in Iraqi. Because why? Because I want to show off something? No. I want you to come and step into a space of magic. I want you to come and feel and experience how special you are. I want you to come and see and imagine what's possible for you when you begin to tap into, connect to your authentic voice and to be able to share it with the impact that only you can in the world. And so when you come to this Speaker Circle of Excellence, this program with me, I want you to know one thing. I'm creating a safe space, a safe circle for everybody that comes into to work with me in this space. And so I'm going to take care of you. No matter what happens, no matter how fearful you are, no matter how anxious you might be, I want you to know that this is a really, really safe and confidential space. I've got a beautiful team of people that are also going to be there that are going to help me to make sure that you feel safe every single and taken care of every single step of the way. So just to give you a really quick idea, this is my model that I have created over my 20 years worth of experience as a presenter, as an investigative journalist in South Africa for 7 years, as a TV presenter of over 140 episodes on 4 different shows. I've been a professional speaker for many, many years, and an MC, voice artist, like communication's my game. Over 20 years worth of this, and I've channeled all of that experience and my expertise into creating these programs for you. So it's all evidence-based, it is tried and tested. You're going to walk away with templates, checklists. You're going to walk away with all the tools, but you're going to walk away with a lot more than that, because we're going to create the kinds of connections to other like-minded people who are on a similar journey to you, where a lot of the training and a lot of the development and a lot of the real magic happens when people come together and when we share in a collective journey, you're going to learn from other people, and you're going to learn from what they experience and what's important to them. And then also we work with very much from an inside out point of view. So you're going to come for the templates and the checklists, but we're also going to help you to develop that level of confidence and authority within yourself in a way that's not just fleeting. And I know oftentimes you go to a course and then it's like, oh my God, I kind of learned something, and like 2 weeks later you forgot it all. That's not what we want in this. We want you to walk away with stuff that's changed on the inside in a really beautiful and special way that allows you to take that forward into your life and go and apply it practically to anywhere you use and share your ideas. So this is the foundational program, the Speaker Circle of Excellence. My name's Bonita Nuttall. If you're interested, get in touch with me and I would love to see you there. If you want more information, please do get in touch. My website is bonitanuttall.com. Check that out over there. I'd love to hear from you. And if you think that this might be beneficial for somebody in your team or somebody that you know, please feel free to share this with them, forward this video onto them so that they can also really take where they are in their own business, in their own career, and take it to the next level, because that's what the Speaker Circle is all about. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the program. Cheers for now.